Good day, Tea with Travis. Today is September 16th, Tuesday, and boy, I don't know where to go when I wake up in the morning now with what's going on in the financial markets. I'm sure if you've had any premonition to look at the news at all, you've seen what's going on. It's pretty crazy. AIG, which is the largest insurance carrier in the world, which has operates in more than 140 countries, needs to raise $75 billion today before end of business, before market close, to be able to keep at the level of stock downgrade that they're at, meaning they've been reduced to nothing basically in Moody's grading of their stock value. So if AIG collapsed today, or they file bankruptcy, what that means is across the world, insurance claims will not be paid. So they have everything from property and casualty to like car insurance to life insurance. So if they were to file bankruptcy tomorrow, there's no protection for a client that has a life insurance policy. Say they die tomorrow and they have $1 million policy, and AIG goes bankrupt. There's no federal like FDIC has on banks. If they collapse, and that money's gone. So the impact worldly is just insane if they go under. The Fed said they were not going to step in and bail them out, and the Dow was down steeply this morning because of it. And now the Fed's saying that they might give them a bridge loan for the $75 billion to protect them, to get some stability under their wings, so they can move forward. But if they don't, I mean, the impact just in Manhattan and Wall Street alone on AIG, the number of people they employ down there, could even take down New York financially just in one company. So just the impact of it's $1 trillion company, $1 trillion company. So not too many people can hang that on their experience level of saying that they're $1 trillion company. Also, the Feds meet. They meet every 6 weeks. They met today. They met yesterday and today. And there's actual Fed futures, which they actually bet on what the Fed's going to do. The stock market becomes pretty much like Vegas in a lot of cases. They guess and they anticipate, and they have their little analysts figure out what's going to happen. And they anticipated the Fed's cutting 100% chance they're going to cut 0.25% today. And when they didn't cut 0.25% today, the market didn't know which way to go. Bonds suffered this morning. They were down a lot this morning. Now they've kind of recovered some. The Dow was down in the red. Now they're in the black. So just interesting times. I don't think traders even know which direction to go right now. It's unlike no other time. Alan Greenspan said yesterday, in all his 30 years of being in the Fed president role, and then just even now as an author and speaker, he said this is the worst he's ever seen the economy, with all the financial impact of different companies. WAMU got downgraded by Moodys to junk stock. It was not a good title to have along with your stock. They're down to like pennies on the dollar of what they were a year ago. So WAMU, I think, will be the next casualty we see. They're the largest savings and loan bank in the world, which is, I didn't realize that either, but that's a pretty daunting label to have and to be crashing also. So between Lehman Brothers, Merrill Lynch, WAMU, AIG, it's just crazy times. So mortgage rates should stay down. Housing prices will stay down. So if you're focused simply on buying a home, great time to buy a home. If you're worried about having your money invested, again, investments are never a short-term strategy, so hopefully you didn't go into the market thinking you can make a lot of money in 1 year. The losses that we're seeing have happened before in economic cycles, so not a big thing to get stressed about. Just stick with your guns and follow your financial planner's advice or stuff we put into plan and strategy for you. So hopefully that helps. Tomorrow, who knows what's going to happen tomorrow, but today, like I said, rates have worsened a little bit today, but after the gains we've seen in the last couple of days, we're still looking good, still in the mid fives, with the APR around upper fives. So good times. Hopefully that helps. Give me a call if you have any questions, and we look forward to serving you. Have a great day. Bye.